my name's Rich Harrington for CreativeCow.net, and I want to show you a cool way to enhance your storyboard images. Now, storyboards are used all the time in film and video productions, and they help really communicate what's going to happen in the video. Usually they start as a pencil sketch, and then someone goes back and inks over them to tighten things up. But as you see here, some of the smudges of the pencil and the original content is left behind. Well, let's fix this. I'm going to add a levels adjustment, and this makes it easy to refine. Now, with the eyedropper, I can click here and sample something that should be black. When I click, it pushes it. Then we'll take the white eyedropper and click on something that should be white, and that refines it even more. Now, using these sliders, I can keep moving that white point in, and you see it starts to clean up the image. Then, if we pull the black point in, same thing, nice and crisp. It's this middle slider that, if we refine it, can remove some of that middle area there and help clean it up a bit more. And now, quite simply, by pulling in the white point and minimizing that middle gray slider, we can essentially make the light gray lines disappear and become pure white. Now, if we take a look at that before and after, you'll see it's much tighter. And if you want, you can even blend this here with the opacity slider so you start to balance that out and mix the two results together. In this case, just a hint of the original pencil illustration coming through, or none at all. And this definitely helps with the overall contrast to clean up the hand-drawn image. For Creative Cow, my name is Rich Harrington, and we invite you to check out more over at our website at CreativeCow.net, where you'll find great forums and more education about all your favorite digital tools. And a big thanks to our partner, Luminar Flex, which is a super cool plugin for Adobe Photoshop. I invite you to check it out. Thanks for watching.